My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Kia Sportage. This vehicle was done just under 62,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control and automatic headlights as features. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access radio, media, Bluetooth, navigation, information and settings. Just to the right we have our climate control button, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have heated seats on either side, as well as our aux and USB port. We also have hill descent control and sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.